This quick video will show you how to add students to your classroom in Unique. Click the Email Username field to begin signing in. You'll use your district email for this. Type your password. Click the Sign In button to log into your account. Click the menu in the upper left-hand corner to access your settings. Click on the Students option in the menu. Click the Add Student button to search for your student. Click Add an existing student to add a student already in the system. Click the Continue button to proceed with adding your student. Enter the student's first or last name to search for them. Click the plus button to add the correct student to your classroom. Click the checkbox next to Unique. Then select the grade band for your student from the drop-down menu. Click the Add Student button to finalize adding the student to your classroom. Now you're ready to set up your student's login and add assignments to their dashboard. This guide showed how to sign into the N2Y platform, navigate to the Students section, and add an existing student to your classroom in Unique. It covered searching for the student and confirming their details before adding them. If you have any questions, please contact me, Maureen Best, for assistance.